Navigate your journey to success in the UPSC Civil Services examination with guidance, dedication, and consistent effort. To help you assist in making an effective roadmap, Vision IAS Delhi, GTB Nagar, is organizing an exclusive open session on Comprehensive Preparation Strategy for General Studies, UPSC CSE 2025 on 21st October at 10 a.m. with the seasoned faculty, Harsh Sir, Amil Sir, Neeraj Rao Sir, Sunil Sir. This engaging session will help with effective strategy to ace UPSC CSE 2025 revision plan and implementation, Q&A and doubt clearing session.